Hi, I'm Guillermo with Yardbeast, and this right here is the Yardbeast 3514 wood chipper. On this video, I will demonstrate how to add oil to your chipper's engine for the first time. The Yardbeast 3514 is powered by a Kohler CH440 engine. It's capable of producing up to 14 horsepower. It runs on gasoline. This engine is a reliable workhorse. It features a quad-season cyclonic air filtration system and has a cast iron cylinder bore for maximum durability. This engine has two oil ports. One is located on this side, easily identifiable by a yellow plug, and it has an identical plug on the opposite side of the engine. It also features a low oil shutoff sensor, which comes in handy to protect the engine in case your engine loses oil. It will automatically shut off the engine, protecting its internal components. On this video, we're going to use three things. We're going to have available one bottle of oil, approximately 1 US quart. We're going to use a funnel. With the funnel, we just have to make sure that the tip is small enough to fit inside the oil port of the engine. And we're going to utilize a piece of cloth. It is always important to read the engine's user manual, as depending on the conditions where you plan to use this wood chipper, you might need a different type of oil. For example, if you plan on using this chipper on very cold weather, let's say below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, it's possible you might need another type of oil. So now we will add oil to the engine. The first thing we are going to do is to remove the oil dipstick. To do that, you unscrew it on a counterclockwise manner until you are able to take it off completely. We remove the cap from the bottle of oil. We place the funnel inside the oil port of the engine, and we will slowly add oil. You must do this very slowly since the oil is a viscous fluid and takes some time to settle inside the engine. When you are about 3/4 of the way of the bottle, it's good practice to stop and measure. We will clean the oil dipstick so it can give us a fresh mark on the oil level. We screw the plug back again. We wait a few seconds and remove back. On this case, we still need some more oil. We clean the dipstick once again, and we insert the plug one more time, and we take a test mark. We remove the plug back out again, and now we have an excellent mark of oil. What you want is that the oil level must fit inside this mark. We want the oil level to be about 3/4 of the way, and we have this right now. So this is telling us that the oil has a correct amount of oil inside the engine. In any case, if you overfill the engine with oil, you can always drain the excess oil by using the oil drain hose, which is located right next to the engine. And this concludes our video in how to correctly add oil to your engine. Please like this video and hit subscribe, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Until next time.